Welcome to the top best. The best Nardo Grey is probably one of the most sought-after paint colors in the automotive world, and for good reason. Its unique blend of sophistication and understated style has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts and designers alike. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Nardo Grey, exploring its origins, characteristics, and why it's become such a beloved choice for those seeking a touch of modern elegance. Number 5. Speedokote Nardo Grey 2K Acrylic Urethane Paint Kit. This is the Speedokote Nardo Grey 2K Acrylic Urethane Paint Kit. It's a high-gloss finish designed for durability and a stunning look. The kit includes everything you need for a professional-grade result. The paint provides a brilliant, high-gloss shine that enhances any surface. Its acrylic urethane formula ensures a long-lasting, eye-catching appearance. This paint will make your project stand out. This 2K acrylic urethane paint offers superior protection against the elements. It's resistant to chipping, fading, and other damage. The paint is designed to keep your project looking great for years. The kit comes in a convenient 4:1 gallon medium kit size. This provides the perfect amount of paint for most projects. It's easy to mix and apply, ensuring a smooth and even finish. This is the product code for the Speedokote Nardo Grey Paint Kit. You can easily find the product using this code. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This paint offers a stunning high-gloss finish, making your car look sleek and modern. It's also a 2K acrylic urethane, which means it's incredibly durable and resistant to scratches and fading. If you are looking for a long-lasting, professional-grade finish that will turn heads, you should consider this. What people say. The color is a perfect match for Nardo Grey. The paint went on smooth and looks great. The color is spot on. Number 4. Speedokote Nardo Grey Base Coat Kit SMR 9400 LV0075. This kit is designed to give your vehicle a stunning Nardo Grey finish. It includes everything you need for a professional-grade base coat application. The kit comes with 2 gallons of base coat, providing ample coverage for most vehicles. This ensures you have enough product to complete the job effectively. The kit includes both the base coat and a medium reducer. The reducer helps the paint flow smoothly and ensures proper application. This is the specific model number for this Speedokote kit. It guarantees you're getting the correct color and formulation for your project. With this kit, you can achieve a high-quality, durable finish. It's perfect for both professional painters and DIY enthusiasts looking for exceptional results. What we like. This kit provides a perfect base coat for your Nardo Grey project. The included medium reducer ensures optimal application and a smooth finish. If you are a DIY enthusiast who wants to achieve a factory-like finish with ease, you should consider this. What people say. I'm no professional by any means, but I'd say it turned out pretty good. The color is great. Number 3. ScratchesHappen Audi Nardo Grey Touch-Up Paint Kit. Tired of scratches and chips? This kit helps you fix them easily with color-matched paint. Step-by-step instructions make it simple, even if you've never done this before. Avoid expensive body shop visits by doing it yourself. This kit provides quality paint and tools, so you can get great results without spending a fortune. This kit includes assorted brushes, so you have the right tool for every job. It's designed to handle today's scratches and any future ones that may appear. Apply the clear coat to seal the paint and get the perfect finish. The clear coat enhances the color match and also protects the paint. For deeper scratches, you may need primer. If you need primer, consider our preferred kit for the best results when fixing more significant damage. What we like. This touch-up kit offers an exact color match, ensuring a seamless repair for scratches and chips. The step-by-step instructions make it easy for anyone to use, saving you time and money. If you have minor imperfections on your car and want a quick and affordable fix, you should consider this. What people say. The color is a perfect match. The paint went on smooth and covered well. The color is exactly what I was looking for. Number 2. ERA Paints Audi LY7 CT3 Nardo Grey Touch-Up. First, locate your paint code. You can find it easily by checking the image provided. Also, check out our website for more information. This jar touch-up paint is perfect for small repairs. It's great for bumpers, fenders, and doors. Get the best for your car. Our dabber applicator makes the application simple. The paint dries quickly, in just minutes. Consider purchasing a prep kit for the best results. This paint is mixed to match the original factory color for your Audi. It's LY7CT3 Nardo Grey. The automotive paint goes on smoothly and covers well. If you have a larger area to repair, check out our aerosol touch-up spray paint. It's available with 1K or professional grade 2K clear coats. What we like. This jar touch-up paint is perfect for smaller repairs on bumpers, fenders, and doors. The dabber applicator makes it quick and easy to apply, and it dries in minutes. If you need a simple solution for small touch-ups, you should consider this. What people say. The color is a perfect match. The paint went on smooth and covered well. The color is exactly what I was looking for. Number 1. Harpy Motors Audi RS7 LY7C Nardo Grey Touch-Up Paint. Introducing the Harpy Motors Touch-Up Paint, designed specifically for your Audi RS7. This paint is perfect for those small imperfections on your car. This touch-up paint is proudly made in the USA. It is custom mixed in-house to ensure a perfect color match for your vehicle. The paint colors are mixed using a custom computer for precision. This ensures that the color matches your car's original paint. The paint is easy to apply and dries quickly. It provides a durable acrylic urethane finish, protecting your car from further damage. This 1-ounce container is ideal for small touch-ups, rock chips, and scratches. It comes complete with a brush and instructions for easy application. What we like. This touch-up paint guarantees a perfect color match, ensuring your car looks its best. The durable acrylic urethane finish provides long-lasting protection against the elements. If you like a reliable, USA-made product for those annoying rock chips, you should consider this. What people say. The color is a perfect match and looks great. The paint went on smooth and covered well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.